Hello and welcome to this final video in the Introduction to Edge Devices section. In this video, we will explore what TinyML is and how it is related to edge machine learning or edge AI. So, let's begin. TinyML is a rapidly emerging field that stands at the crossroads of machine learning and embedded systems. It focuses on developing machine learning models that can operate on extremely low-powered devices, like microcontrollers, typically in the milliwatt range. And so, TinyML, edge machine learning, and edge AI are all terms used to describe the same broad concept. If you really had to nitpick, I would say that while doing machine learning on a Raspberry Pi would be considered edge machine learning, for it to be considered TinyML, you really would have to use one of the other microcontroller-based devices like the Arduino Nano 33 or the OpenMV Cam H7. But this is again just nitpicking, and in this course, we will use the terms interchangeably. As we have already discussed, TinyML enables intelligent decision-making directly on the device. This minimizes the need to transmit large amounts of data to the cloud, enhancing privacy and reducing latency. Launched by an alliance of industry leaders and technologists who believe in the power of AI to operate on the tiniest of devices, TinyML has a clear goal, which is to make AI accessible and feasible on small devices that are used daily. This is achieved through the optimization of machine learning algorithms that can work within the power and memory constraints of embedded devices. As one of the founding members puts it, a lot of research had been done in the last 5 to 10 years on fancy, high-end cars, referring to machine learning, but not much focus has been put on road and highway construction, referring to deployment options like the edge device. And thus, TinyML is all about deployment and using the power of machine learning where it really matters, at the edge. The work in the field is coordinated by a foundation with the same name and with members mostly in the US, Europe, and Asia. The foundation released their first white paper in February 2023 and do knowledge sharing through in-person and online talks and meetups. Supporting this mission, several industry giants have stepped in. Notable sponsors such as Edge Impulse, TensorFlow, Arduino, alongside Qualcomm and Sony provide the necessary tools and frameworks. These companies are helping in shaping the future of TinyML by contributing their expertise and technologies to support its scalability and ease of implementation. And that is all for this video and this section on Introduction to Edge Devices. In the next section, we will look at the basics of MicroPython and see how to write code that uses these edge devices and components to perform a task. See you there.